Classwork 7.2, question 1. We're going to start that one. I want to review some vocabulary from the first video. First of all, the pre-image is the image before the transformation, and the image is the image after the transformation. So right now we're given a picture of a triangle. This is our pre-image. This is the picture before we've done the translation and before we've moved it or slid it. Okay. The other thing I want to note is you'll see just letters, and that means that's the pre-image. When we do the image, we're going to give it some additional information, and I'll show you that when we get it. So our translation rule says to move it 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. So I pick a point, does not matter which point, we'll pick E, and we're going to move it 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. 1, 2. Perfect. So as you can see, I picked E, I moved it 1 to the right and 2 down. And we are going to call this E prime. So that's E and then an apostrophe. And that apostrophe means prime, which just means the new E. Okay, so this was our original E. This was our pre-image E. And now this is our new E, or our image. And what we did here is we moved it right 1, down 2, and we're going to do the same thing with all of our points. So W is going to move to the right 1, down 2. So there's my W prime, or my new W, and G is going to do the same thing. Right 1, down 2. And there is my G prime, my new G. And go ahead and connect the dots. And once again, we should have the same shape, the same size. It shouldn't really change. It's a little crooked because I didn't use a ruler, but other than that, it looks like the same exact shape. All we're doing is we're taking it and we're just sliding it down and moving it. In the picture above, which triangle is the pre-image? So remember, the pre-image is just the normal letters. So triangle WEG. And then in the picture above, which triangle is the image? So the image is going to be triangle W prime, E prime, G prime. Okay. Remember, those are just apostrophes there. Okay. And our reasoning, this was before translation and after translation. So before my translation and after my translation. All right, question number 2. Draw the image according to the transformation. So we don't have coordinates, or we don't have letters here, but that's okay. So we're going to take each vertex, each dot, and move it 4 to the right and 2 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then down 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2. Do the same thing for each dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2. And connect the dots. And we have ourselves the same image. It's the same size and same shape. All we did was we took it and we slid it. We just moved it. All right, go ahead and do the same thing here. Now this time we're going to move it 3 left and 5 up. So each point is going to move 3 left and 5 up. It doesn't matter where you start. I'll start here. So 3 left, 1, 2, 3, and then 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. This one's going to move 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, and up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one, once again, move to the left 3 and up 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And connect the dots. Same shape, same size. All we did was it moved from one location to another location. All right, go ahead and start watching the next video, the third video for today.